Hey developers, Xcode or Python? Which one's right for you? In this quick video, we'll break down what each is, compare them, and help you decide. Let's dive in. First off, Xcode. It's Apple's official integrated development environment, or IDE, designed for building apps for iOS, macOS, watchOS, and tvOS. Xcode is packed with tools like a code editor, debugger, and interface builder for designing app interfaces. It's tightly integrated with Swift and Objective-C, making it the go-to for Apple ecosystem development. Think sleek, powerful, but Apple-specific. Now, Python. It's a high-level, general-purpose programming language known for its simplicity and versatility. Python's used for web development, data science, machine learning, automation, and more. Its clean syntax makes it beginner-friendly, and its massive library ecosystem like NumPy or Django supports endless possibilities. It's cross-platform and open source. So, how do they compare? Xcode is an IDE tailored for Apple apps, while Python is a language for diverse projects. Xcode shines for iOS and macOS apps with its native tools, but it's Apple only and complex for beginners. Python's easier to learn, works everywhere, and excels in data science or web apps, but it's not optimized for mobile app development. Speed? While Xcode's compiled Swift apps are faster for production, while Python's integrated nature can be slower. Here's a quick chart. Xcode's best for Apple apps, Python for versatility. If you're building iPhone apps, go Xcode. For data analysis, web dev, or learning to code, Python's your pick. Check the chart for details. Which one's for you? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and code on.